football lovers. Welcome to my news. On my channel, I'll keep you daily updated about PSL news. Breaking news. Orlando Pirates rejected offers of two European clubs in PCC bidding. Liverpool Fouquet. The Parks are believed to be looking for a European team, which is more beneficial from Fouquet's career. There's another offer from MLS in America, which is yet to be rejected, so he must also go play against Messi. Apollo's signings could be another signal of Fouquet's departure, but not guaranteed because Orlando Pirates might be waiting for AFCON tournament, so they can sell the player at the highest market value. For more football news, kindly subscribe to my channel so I can keep you daily updated.